Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Colonel VD Singh, the Vice Chairperson, World Music for Zena Family. And today we have a very special guest with us, Dr. Renuka Anand from Delhi NCR. And when I read about her achievements and things like that, oh my God, it's so impressive, Renuka. I welcome you on board Zena Family platform, and you're appearing for the very first time. So let me run through very briefly. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Renuka holds an honorary doctorate in fine arts from Chicago Open University. Also holds a postgraduate and B.Ed degree. She has been a topper. Wow. Diploma in fashion designing from IIFT and various creative pursuits, which include modeling and pageantry, fashion designer, creative stylist, writer, and educator. Very skilled person with a very strong teaching and coaching experience as an international art coach. So, without much ado, let's straight away come to the questions. And Renuka, the first thing, tell me, what inspired you to pursue a career in your field?
Okay, so first of all, thank you very much. I'm extremely honored to be on this platform and really grateful that you have added me in such a wonderful, beautiful community of Zena family with all the nice people out there. So I'm really feeling very privileged.
Welcome.
Uh, Thank you, sir. And coming to the question, what inspired me to take arts and become an artist is like maybe the fate had it all. And I started as a science student, so I qualified for medical entrance exam twice, and unfortunately I couldn't get MBBS. So I had to leave it, then come back, and there also because we were late in that year, so couldn't get BSc. So I opted for BCom. So I have done my graduation and post graduation in commerce, along with fashion designing. And in fashion designing, I have done the job, I've done the modeling, and done. I have actually explored all the creative side of mine in Fashion Designing Institute. Then after marriage and all, I did B.Ed. Then uh, thankfully I topped it, and after that I did I was qualified for a UP government job, but I left the job, and then Kendriya Vidyalaya job. Uh, um, I studied a lot for that. Then it was actually in fate, and thankfully God decided such wonderful field for me, that from coming from the science, then commerce, then Kendriya Vidyalaya government lecturer, I am into arts now. So since 10 years, I've been teaching in online and offline classes, and also I was pursuing my career as an artist, uh, and in portraits, and I was just exploring all the mediums, and it has been a wonderful journey. So actually I gave a long answer and
Yes. Nice
uh,
to know, because
yeah,
there's a very different types of disciplines through which you have gone:
yeah.
commerce, science, and of course fine arts. Now I want to ask you about any particular challenge which you have faced in your career and how you could overcome that challenge. We all face challenges in life. So in your case,
Sir, as you can see that my life has been a real roller coaster going from this to that. So I had many challenges along with my
yeah.
two naughty children, kids. I was like, when I had to leave the Kendriya Vidyalaya lecturer job, it was a very tough decision, because I was doing it for my husband. He wanted me to become a government to have a government job. So I prepared everything and qualified and got the job, but eventually I had to leave it. And that was a time when I was standing alone and no one in the world was with me to
Oh.
to like encourage me, or to even like uh, say that yeah, you are doing a right thing.
Okay,
So
okay.
my decision was very clear, because I had to choose between my kids and the job, so I had to quit it. But at that time I promised myself that now I'm going to, God has given me some little bit of talent or whatever. He has given everyone some of the other talents. So I just wanted to explore that now. And I promised myself that I won't regret any of my decisions in life. So
Excellent.
now I have to work much more harder in arts. That was the difficult field in India. And so I worked hard, and now I'm really happy that I chose this line. Even my husband is more happier than me, that yes, I was wrong, that you have to do the lecturer job or the government job only. But I'm really very happy that you take the bold step, you took the right decision at that time.
Good, good, Renuka. I'm so happy to know about this, because ultimately, when you follow your passion, and your that passion also becomes a kind of a revenue model for you. You can earn a lot, and let me assure you one thing, Renuka, that coming on Zena platform will also give you an exposure, because it is not just you and I. Thousands of people will be watching you speak about yourself. Okay.
Okay.
So next point is, how do you stay motivated and continue to innovate in your work?
So, whenever I teach my students,
Yeah.
mostly my students motivate me by their testimonials, their feedback. I feel so motivated, and whenever I show my paintings to anyone or on social media, everyone's appreciation gives me a lot of motivation and encouragement to do this work more in a more better way. And so I'm trying to be more better and better every day.
Good, good. That's so nice. So nice. Okay, Renuka, what has been your proudest moment in your career so far?
So proudest moment are two. One is professional and one is personal. So the
Hmm.
professional one is in London. Recently, I got the award from Indian Inspiring Indian Woman Award from She Inspires in UK Parliament near Big Ben in London. So
Wow, wow,
that is
wow.
one of the
That's
proudest
so that,
moment.
yeah,
And
you deserve clapping for that. Yeah, excellent. Okay.
and the other one is personal, that my mom said that I'm really really proud of me, proud of you, that I have a daughter. Otherwise since like years she was in a like something that she has so many daughters, so she was not very proud of that because of a big combined family. And
Okay.
but ultimately her last words were that she's proud of me.
Wow, wow, wow. So nice, so nice. So, Renuka, tell me, how do you balance your personal life with your professional commitments?
So it really becomes very tough, but I chose the this path only to make a perfect balance between both of them, so that I can actually I chose the teaching path also because of my kids only, because I wanted to look after my kids fully. Like I should be there in each of their moments in their life. So I chose the teaching job also because of them, but eventually I found that there was no space left for my kids now, so I had to leave the job. Then I came in this arts to actually to balance both the lives, and now I'm able to do that. uh,
Excellent. Very nice, Renuka. Uh, how do you handle criticism? Sometimes we get negative feedback. Everyone's work does not necessarily get accolades and clapping and things like that. So there are people who criticize also. So how do you handle this kind of a situation? Criticism.
So thankfully, people have been really very kind till now, and
Mm.
everybody is so nice, whether they are their senior artists are there or
Mm.
anyone whom
Mm.
I show my work, they are they are full of appreciation for me. But criticism, I like criticism. So when I exhibit my artwork, I have to call them against. No, sir, please don't appreciate. You are such senior in this field. So please just tell me what is wrong in this. Don't
Excellent.
just appreciate and just go away. Just tell me what is wrong in it. If he said no, 100% it's correct. नो सर, ऐसा हो नहीं सकता है, एक छोटी सी भी गलती है तो प्लीज टेल मी सो दैट आई कैन इम्प्रूव इट नेक्स्ट टाइम. तो मैं पकड़ पकड़ के सर लोगों से पूछती हूँ कि सर प्लीज आप गलतियां बताइए, तारीफें तो सब लोग ही कर देंगे. तो आई रियली लाइक दैट. मैं
What
वो
kind of artwork do you exhibit? A portrait or a natural scenario, things like that? What type of art?
So personally, I like portraits. I
Yeah.
like making eyes. Since childhood, I've made hundreds, thousands of eyes. I filled my pages with portraits and eyes. And
Wow.
but I was diverted into science field that लड़कियां डॉक्टर बनती हैं, लड़के इंजीनियर बनते हैं.
Yeah.
तो यू और आर्ट का कोई फ्यूचर नहीं है, तो यू शुड
Yeah.
स्टडी. नहीं, उसमें
Uh,
ध्यान मत दो, पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दो. तो ठीक है, आई वॉज लाइक लिटिल डेविएटेड फ्रॉम माई actual path, but it's good, happy.
no, good, good. I mean, I'm so happy that you have been so courageous in your journey. Renuka, tell me about some charity or cause that is important to you, and how are you involved in this?
Sirs, there's a very serious problem the whole world is affected by,
Yeah.
is the climate change. So
Correct.
it affects me a lot.
Mm.
So I try to save water, save electricity, plant trees. And
Mm.
also I have, last year we have started a small community, a group who is working towards this. So I have we have a normal flat in Delhi NCR, everybody has. So still we have managed to plant around 50-60 plants in outdoor and indoor plants in
Wow.
balcony and in on the stairs.
That's
After that, I didn't have space, so I struggled a lot to make a group in the society, and we planted around the society. And in the society, we bought big planters, and we have planted big trees in those planters.
excellent. That's an excellent thing because by doing such an taking such an initiative, not only that you are creating a congenial environment, you are also helping these trees to produce more oxygen, you know,
Yes,
in and
yes,
around your society.
yes,
So these are the intangible benefits.
yes.
Uh, okay. Mm, what would be your dream project or a collaboration? Every artist thinks, एक बहुत बड़ा कुछ करना है.
Hmm.
So what is that?
Sir, I actually don't have a dream project. I have a dream that the artists of India should not only get recognition, appreciation from others, but also get financially benefited, because 99% of the artists leave their art. They are forced to leave their art, because how will they survive if their art is not sold? So in India, it's really very tough, and they are forced to leave the job, the art. The art somewhere dies within, and they shift to the 9 to 5 jobs, and
Correct.
also they are forced to become the laborers or mazdoor doing normal painting around. So I really want the government, the normal people, the public, they should actually motivate the artists by not just appreciating them but buying their art, because most of
Wow.
the people actually want okay, मेरा आप कब बना रहे हो portrait, okay, मुझे कब दे रहे हो painting? So
Yeah,
even they are rich enough to buy artwork,
yeah.
but they don't. I don't know why they don't want to buy it. They just want them to be gifted with the art.
I
They
agree with
want,
you.
yeah. So I
Absolutely.
just
And
want,
also they do a lot of haggling. I have seen those roadside artists in Delhi as well as in Goa.
yes, yes,
These poor artists are just trying to make both ends meet,
yes.
whatever little collection they have throughout the day. But sometimes it's very shocking to see that those well-off customers are haggling over prices. No, no, I can't give you 500. It's too much. आज के ज़माने में, I mean, to survive, when
Hmm.
you talk about couple of hundreds, it's not enough.
So they are
You
even
should,
exploited by the bigger organization and
yeah,
the rich people, and even by the government. They
yeah,
are promised that if they paint this, then they will be given the remunerations in the bank or somewhere, but they never get it. And
they,
even they are called, okay, paint this wall, and we are having such a big event, and
yeah,
you should be grateful that we have given you the opportunity
it's the other way
to
around. Yeah,
exhibit your art, so you
yeah,
should be happy that we have given you wall and paints. Bring your brushes and do
yeah,
the work for free,
yeah,
because we have given you the such a big event and opportunity.
yeah,
So
yeah,
you can also gift us your paintings.
yeah.
Hotels,
So,
even hotels say, okay, we have given you exhibition, so you can gift us bigger paintings. So the
mm,
bigger people buy, don't buy, they bigger people gets bigger paintings and gifts, and the smaller people
yeah,
wants
yeah, I
smaller
know,
paintings for gifts.
I know
Nobody wants
that.
to pay.
But I'm sure,
So this is very
Renuka,
unfortunate.
I'm very sure about this particular thing that if there are few people like you who can be real motivators and they can really inspire the people in the society, because everything happens for a reason, and there is always a humble beginning.
Hmm.
So you have already made a humble beginning in your society. First of all, by creating an awareness about the environment in this polluted place like Delhi. Fortunately, I am settled in Ambala. I have
Okay.
served in Delhi in the army headquarters. 200 kilometers away, Ambala. It's such a delight because there is no pollution, and these are the things which you can't buy. You cannot buy
Yeah.
a fresh air. You have to create this kind
Yes.
of environment, and environment has to be created by way of your own initiative. It's just one person, and I'm sure as a single person, when you initiated this thing by planting 50, 60, 70 plants, you actually inspired lot many people around you in your society. And
The 50,
it,
60 are planted only in my flat.
wow, wow,
I
that's
have I have been planting trees since 8 or 10 years, and I
mm,
have planted many trees in the society and around the society since years. So last year
excellent.
we made a group so that
This
everyone
is
plants it, because
so nice.
अकेले से नहीं होगा
नहीं
सर,
नहीं नहीं
इतना
नहीं नहीं
बूंद बूंद से सागर बनती है. तो
बिल्कुल
each one
बिल्कुल
of us, if we plant 50, 60 small plants like snake plants and others in our own houses, and then we
correct.
plant in our society also, then the temperature actually reduces by 2 to 5 degrees,
That is
and
hell of a lot.
the
Yeah,
air is clean, and
yeah,
we are able to live a happy and healthy life,
healthy
and give
life.
a healthy life to our future, to our
Wonderful,
kids.
wonderful. And Renuka, tell me, what advice would you give to someone who is just starting out in your field of, fine arts and things like that? What will be your advice to those, since you are an experienced artist yourself?
Okay. So my first of all, my advice for them is you have to be really, really strong enough
Yeah, yeah,
and have patience,
yeah.
because you can't sell your art within few days or few months or years, because
Yes.
it's actually a very tough field. Otherwise every parent would have loved their kids to be an
Yeah,
artist. They
yeah,
want choose the toughest line, work, study for 18 hours for science, maths and is, but don't go in arts. So
yeah.
everybody knows it's a tough field. So
It's
first of all, you should work on your own skill a lot,
yes. Yeah.
and then you should be patient enough. Then you should also have a proper a side like a job which should finance you till you get
Yes.
established in this
Absolutely.
field.
Very, very important. You should have a financial backing
Yeah.
so that you are able to buy your own things, paint and brush. And
Yeah.
these are
So
not
that was the
easy
reason
things.
I'm having classes since 10 years, because I knew that it will take time to takes time for the art to sell. So I have my classes also for that purpose.
This is such a a very, very motivating thing, because you as a single person can make a difference. People keep saying, let 10, 15, 20 people come and then only. No, I'm against this idea. Just one person's idea changes the whole society, because then everyone is aligned as per your thought process.
Yes.
और यू सी इतनी सारी चीजें तुम्हारे बैकग्राउंड जानने के बाद एक सॉन्ग के मैं दो लाइन तुम्हारे सामने गाता हूँ विच इज वेरी एप्ट फॉर दिस ओकेजन किशोर साहब का। रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के, ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही।
Wow, very nice, very nice.
ये ये बड़ा मोटिवेटिंग सॉन्ग है, और
और
फॉर artists like you who can inspire the society and the world at large, and you can of course do
it's a long journey,
it's a long
tough
journey.
journey, but
Yeah.
a very beautiful and very fulfilling, satisfying.
Excellent, Renuka. I think this much for today, because the list which I have with me, my God, it talks about so many awards, accolades, but it will go on and on for a couple of hours. I would, of course, love to discuss this, but maybe, in some other session. But for today, Dr. Renuka Anand, thank you very much for spending your time with us, with the Zena family.
थैंक यू सो मच सर। सर मैं भी अपनी तरफ से 2 लाइंस बताना चाहूंगी
बताओ।
अपने बारे में।
हाँ।
मतलब बताना नहीं, ये भी सॉन्ग ही है, मैं ट्राई करती हूँ इफ आई कैन सिंग।
प्लीज गो अहेड।
तो मैंने इतना सब कैसे किया, या ये मैं क्यों कैसे कर पाती हूँ, तो
प्लीज।
तो इट्स लाइक, मेरा आपकी कृपा से हर काम हो रहा है, मेरा आपकी कृपा से हर काम हो रहा है, करते हो तुम कन्हैया, करती हो तुम मेरी मैया, मेरा नाम हो रहा है, मेरा आपकी कृपा से हर काम हो रहा है।
Excellent, Renuka.
So it's not me, it's not us, it's only because of him.
Because good. So that shows your gratitude. Okay, Renuka. So that was a nice session with you.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you.